Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple.
Yo, good morning, Pedal Monkeys. So it's been 3 days now na it's been raining, and I guess he wants to test the storm. Not that one, but this one. Hey, tara, samahan nyo kami. Right, so we're now here, Batasan. We just finished the Litex climb. As usual, Sean left us kasi he's trying to test yung capability nung new ride niya. And then later on this video, we'll do a bike check. Let's check the specs and all, and then his feedback para ma-share din natin sa inyo. Tara. By the way guys, in this video, we don't have a definite destination yet. We'll just pedal, and then we'll see where our legs will take us. So basically, this video is for new bike day for Sean, and then we'll just test it. And actually yung panahon din isang factor, medyo masama pa rin until now. So nandito na tayo sa bandang Commonwealth Ever. Yan. And I think kanina pa si Sean, inaantay niya tayo sa Philcoa kasi he's trying to beat his own record from bahay to Philcoa, and then this time with his new ride, which is stupid light. I would say that kasi sanay ako ng ng mabigat na bike. So nung tinry ko siya, sobrang gaan niya. And then let's see kung ano pa yung mga specs dun later on this video. I think mag-UP lang kami ngayon para kung biglang bumuhos ng malakas yung ulan, hindi kami ganun masyadong malayo. Madali lang din makakauwi. So, nandito kami sa loob ng UP. Ikot-ikot. And then I think later magkakape muna kami. Eto, si Sean. Hey, naka full outfit. Including the jersey. Fuckboy, Factor.
Doom shot, motherfucker.
Okay guys, dito kami pa rin sa UP, somewhere here sa yung etong may lake. So for now, let's do a bike check dito sa new ride ni Sean. Okay, Sean, can you walk us through dun sa bago mong laruan? Let's start off with yung frame set niya.
So, another day, another rides, syempre, but with another bike. Featuring one of the most ultra lightweight bikes out there, meet the Factor O2 Valve. So, itong bike na to is basically one of the time machines ng Factor when it comes to climbing. Pure climbing power. So, for my bike build, alright, bakit ganito yung frame set niya? Kasi Storm siya. So, O2 VAM Storm. So, size 49, sakto lang para sa akin. And for the wheel set first, naka Black Ink 45 wheel set tayo with size 30 Vittoria Ride Armor. Then, for the chainring, kung nakikita nyo ba't ganyan itsura, kasi naka-absolute black tayo, size 52. For the gear ratio, naka 52 by 36 tayo, naka Ultegra pedals na rin. And, as you can see, for the saddle, naka Amasi 3D carbon printed tayo. And, for the headset, naka SLP, Ceramic Speed. And handlebars, the integrated handlebars, Black Ink especially. There. So, this is my new laruan talaga na gagamitin ko sa mga future, bikes ko. And especially, pagsasabak na ako sa competitive cycling.
It's a very sick bike, Sean. And notice something, I think naka-ano rin siya, direct mount na RD hanger. It's frames and gear, silver. And then, if you are curious kung anong tunog nung bike ni Sean, here it is.
And as you can see, pag may nakita kayo dito, sorry sa madaming side. Itong blue na to, Ceramic Speed.
Yeah, naka-ceramic speed, bottom bracket din si Sean. And of course, to complete the setup, even the water bottle, I think naghanap din ng Factor water bottle. And ayan siya. Naka tubeless setup din pala yung wheel set with Vittoria Armor. Shout out Mark Arthur. Sa inyo namin nakuha yung Vittoria Armor, nanood kami ng mga videos nyo, ganun. And also the group set, most importantly, naka Ultegra din siya na Di2, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan, full Di2 Ultegra setup. So far, Sean, how was it naman nung ni-ride natin?
So far, not being biased, kasi syempre, hindi siya nagmamayabang ako, pero yung gravel ko na rin is carbon, pero iba yung pagka-carbon talaga nito. Like, not joking, parang hinahatak ako talaga paakyat eh. Ano siya, to be fair, kala ko mababali at first. Pero ang stiff niya, yun eh. At saka pag nagka-climb, hindi siya snappy na parang ang like ang smooth na lang. Especially pag ni-ride mo talaga to, mararamdaman mo talaga sa harap yung gaan. Kasi 'di ba usually parang ang bigat pag lalo na steep climbs, 'di ba? Pero ito parang may cheat code eh. To the point na parang ang ultra lightweight niya nga, oo, gets natin 'yon. Pero ang ganda na talaga sa climb. So, if you're talaga a climber, mahilig ka sa mga ganong scenario, this is the one for you talaga. Yes.
Okay, may gusto ko ba i-shout out dito sa mga sa buong bike build mo na kung sino-sino?
Ay yes, buti na mention nyo. So, entirely, okay, magkaiba. Like separate ko siya nakuha. The wheel set and the frame itself. And also the group set. So, for the wheel set first, special thanks to Cycling Chef. Yes, thank you po. Naipag-meet up po sa inyo yung tito ko din sa may bandang Cubao?
Oo, okay.
Yeah, Cubao. So, sa inyo po namin nakuha talaga. And thank you na rin for para sa mga freebies. And ang pinaka-special mention of the day namin is binisita pa namin siya sa Parañaque, di ba?
Yeah.
Yes, thank you Sir Tonyo for the bike itself. Kasi
sa
nung,
Good Deal.
yup, kasi nung pagpunta talaga namin doon, halos parang walang walang something, parang di ginamit no? Like literal talaga na brand new. So,
I think he's just using it purely for bike training kasi medyo mas matindi yung bike na gamit ni Sir Tony.
yes, tama. So, thank you for this whole bike talaga. Without the two of them, Cycling Chef and Sir Tonyo, this wouldn't be possible. At syempre, hindi ito mangyayari ngayon. At di ako naganto ngayon kung wala kayo. So, it's a dream come true for me talaga.
Ayun. Nice. So, yun yung quick bike check ni Sean. Medyo ako honestly hindi naman ako and sa buong Pedal Monkeys hindi kami talaga roadie kaya wala kaming masyadong alam in terms of road bikes or what, pero nung nakita ko yung bike, it's a sick bike and it's stupid light dahil yun nga as I mentioned earlier, sanay ako ng yung medyo mabigat yung bike and as a matter of fact, I've been using a steel bike for quite some time now. Yun yung gamit kong bike pang all-rounder. Kaya nung tinry kong buhatin yung bike ni Sean, grabe, ang gaan. Parang ayokong gamitin. Ganun. So yun, abangan natin guys yung mga next rides ni Sean kasama ng Pedal Monkeys using this Factor O2 VAM Storm Edition. Alright. If you have some questions guys, feel free to ask. Just comment lang kayo, ganun, and then definitely sasagutin namin yan. Okay, palabas na kami ng UP. Pauwi na kami kasi mukhang babagsak na naman yung ulan na sobrang lakas. Alright, so nakauwi na kami. It's just a simple ride. It's all about Sean's new bike day. Ayun, Sean, ano masasabi mo?
Sa mga nagsasabi na unnecessary naman yan. Siyempre, rin to passion rin to And simula nung kinuha ko to, parang decision na rin ako na parang, kakaririn ko na rin. Pero, kung kukuha kayo ng bike, di ba, as a first timer, kung kukuha kayo ng bike, mahalaga pa rin yung preference. Like, magkagaya sa iba, may sarili kang flow. Sundin mo lang yun kung anong type mo, di ba?
Okay, well said. So, yun lang for today, guys. See you on the next. Bye-bye.